Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. This is MathStats and we are going to do what we called arithmetic sequences and series. Now, quickly, and before I even move on, I almost forgot, take a moment and subscribe to the channel, alright? And hit the bell so you can be alert when I post a new video. Now, let's talk about arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series. Well, the same way there is a difference between a sequence and a series, then there is an arithmetic. There is a difference between arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series. So basically, they both have a formula, but they are used in different methods. So the formula basically means, let's say for arithmetic sequence. So an arithmetic sequence. Now, let's talk about arithmetic sequence. It's basically is the difference between two consecutive terms. So basically, it is the difference, between two consecutive. Oh man, I have a very bad writing. Of two consecutive numbers, or terms. That difference right here is called common difference. So arithmetic sequence, it gives you the difference between two consecutive numbers. For instance, let's say you have 2, you have 5, you have 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, and so on. This is the result of an arithmetic sequence. And the formula for the arithmetic sequence is basically a sub n equals to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub n is basically what we call the last term. So a sub n is called the last term. A sub 1 is called the first term. This a of n equals a of n equals last term, or meaning the term that you are looking for, basically. Because the last term. A of 1 is the first term. That's why it's called a sub 1. N is basically the number of terms. And then D is the difference. D is the difference. So that's what it is for arithmetic sequence. And because of that, we can find things like this. So it's this formula right here that helps us to find those sequences. Does that make sense? Okay. So let's now look at arithmetic series. What about arithmetic series? Well, arithmetic series, what is it? It is basically the sum, of arithmetic sequence. So the series is basically the sum of arithmetic. The arithmetic series is the sum of arithmetic sequence. Alright? So instead of having 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, etc., we have 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus whatever else. That's called arithmetic series. And the formula for arithmetic series is called S of n equal to n over 2 a sub 1 plus a sub n. And S of n, as you can tell already, S of n basically means the sum, okay, of the series, alright? And n, we already know, is the number of terms, right? And a sub 1 is, we called it already, the first term. And then a sub n is the last term. So, knowing this, let's do some exercises. Let's do some exercise when it comes to arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series. So let's say that we have this right here. Let's say that we have 3, 8, 13, and they said find, and then we have a sub 20. And then what they are basically saying is find the indicated term of the arithmetic sequence. Okay? So we have 3, 8, and 13. What can we see? Remember the formula for arithmetic sequence is, so formula for arithmetic sequence is what? It's a sub n, arithmetic sequence is a sub n, actually let me write below, actually, is basically a sub n equal to what? A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. So what is a sub n? So they're looking for a sub 20. So that means it's going to be a sub 20 equal, what is a sub 1? The first term. And what is the first term? It's 3 plus, what is n? Well, we know it's a sub 20, so n is equal to 20, right? Because if 20 is the highest term, so that means the number of terms you're going to have is 20 minus 1. And what is the difference? Well, when you do 3 minus 8 minus 13, what do you find? You see it's negative 5. Okay? Or 5. But we're going to put it in positive. Difference equal to 5. So, what would a sub 20 equal to now? So you're going to have 3 plus, what is 20 minus 1? It's 19. So you're going to have 19 times 5. And what is 19 times 5? It's equal to 95. So that will be 98. So a sub 20 is equal to 98. And that would be your answer. Now, imagine you have to do everything like 8, 3, 3, 8, 13, and you have to go 8, you have to do 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48. So you see, it's gonna keep repeating 3 and 8 forever until you get to 98. Let's do a second one. Let's say we have 3 8s, 1, 13 8. And they say find a sub 17. Well, what is a sub 17? Right? So it will be a sub 7. Remember again, the formula is a sub n equals to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. So whatever number they replace here for n is going to be the same thing here. So a sub 17 is going to be equal to a1. What is a1? a1 is 3 8. So it's 3 8 plus n. What is n? n is 17 minus 1 times d. Now what is d? We have to do what? Let's say we do 13 8 minus 1. Well, I can write 1 as what? 8 over 8, right? So I can say it's 13 or minus 8 over 8, right? Which is still equal to 1. And that would be equal to 5 over 8. So now we know that the difference is 5/8. So what is a17 now? So a17 is equal to 3 8 plus 16 times 5/8. And 16 over 8 is equal to 2. So that would be equal to a17 equals to 3 8 plus 10. And what is 10 plus 3 8? Well, a17 would equal to 83 over 8. Right? So this is a17 right here. 83 over 8. And that would be your for the arithmetic sequence. So I'm going to stop it right here. We're going to do some more exercise in the future because we have more to do and because I don't want to make it long. So we're going to stop it right here. And of course, guys, don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be alert when I post a new video. Guys, this is Mastats. I hope to see you guys again. Until then, Mastats out.